With the Apple Watch Series 10, we get one of the most robust updates to Apple's wearable we've seen in literally years. The Series 10 is bigger, thinner, and lighter all at the same time, with a 46mm size in addition to the smaller 42mm option for people with smaller wrists or those who prefer smaller wearables. In addition to the reduced size, the key feature here is the new display, which is 40% brighter at more angles, so you can see it at a glance without raising your wrist all the way up to your face to see the full display. Now, Apple, of course, has new display faces for this, so that the display is always on, even in ambient mode, with things like ticking hands for analog clocks and a digital face that refreshes upwards every second. It wouldn't be an Apple Watch update without some software features too, and while we weren't able to test all of them, mainly the ones for water, measuring water depth and water temperature, we did get a look at the new Sleep Apnea feature that will be available in Apple Health. With Apple Watch Series 10, the Sleep Apnea feature will track your breathing while you sleep and provide detailed updates just like it would for your deep sleep tracking in the regular sleep tracking mode. Just like with other health conditions, Apple Watch will alert you if it thinks there's a problem, and it will also give you a detailed readout that you can share with your doctor if you need to go visit a physician. The bigger size isn't more of a burden to wear. Of course, I'm going from a 45mm watch to a 46mm, so there's not much difference to me, but I did try the 42 and the 46, and honestly, I don't think people will find the bigger size as much of a problem. I also think that being able to see the display at more angles without having to raise your wrist all the way will be a welcome addition to the Series 10. And the display is an upgrade over even more recent Apple Watches than the Series 7 that I'm coming from. In terms of other Apple Watches, there aren't many updates to report. The SE didn't get mentioned hardly at all in the keynote, but there is one new color for the Apple Watch Ultra 2. It's a black, and it provides some contrast over the lighter silver version that has been on the market for 2 years now. And honestly, I think it looks better. They have watch bands that match it, and the all black look will look nice, especially for people who wear a lot of black. For more coverage of the iPhone 16 event, Apple Watch, and AirPods, keep it locked right here at Engadget.